Hi guys, today I will teach you how to design almost any graphics without Photoshop. Okay, so what can we design? We can design logos, social media posts. Okay, so if you're Facebook marketing or marketing in social media, we can design those graphical posts. Pinterest graphics. So if you're into Pinterest marketing, you should know that graphics is very important, and we can design that in this course. YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so if you're doing YouTube, then a good thumbnail increases click-through rate. Okay, it makes people want to click on your YouTube video. So YouTube thumbnail is very useful. Resumes. Okay, if you want to have a different resume, a creative resume, an impressive resume, then we can also make that. Book covers. Okay, if you're a aspiring author, we can also design book covers. CD covers, infographics, menus. So if you have a restaurant, then we can also design a menu. Posters, brochures, Facebook ads, and many more. Okay, so we will be using Canva. Okay, so what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design app that is totally completely free. Okay, you don't need to pay anything, although there is a paid version. Okay, there's an upgrade, but you don't need to pay anything. Personally, I just use the free Canva and I don't pay anything, but if you want to upgrade, that is okay. No experience required. Okay, so you don't need to have any graphic design experience, and you don't need to know Photoshop, okay, or anything like Adobe. There's no experience required at all. This is perfect for newbies. Okay, and it's very easy to use, and there are many templates available. So this means that you don't need to start from scratch because there are already existing templates, and you don't need to install any software. Okay, so there's no need to buy Photoshop, there's no need to buy anything, and there's no need to install anything on your computer. Okay, because this is a web-based app. Okay, so all you need to do is have your internet access and your desktop or laptop computer. That's all you need, a computer and internet access. Okay, so now let's go to Canva. Okay, so just go to Google and type Canva. That's Canva, and then click Canva, and then you need to sign up. Okay, so you choose if you're a teacher or student here, education, if you're a small business, large company, a charity, or personal. Okay, so as for me, I'll just choose personal, and then you can choose to sign up with your Facebook account, your Google account, or your email. Okay, so for example, let's sign up with Facebook. Let's just click that. Okay, and then click continue as. So just wait for it while it's still signing up using Facebook. Okay, so now we already signed up on using Facebook. Then choose what are you? Are you a artist, a blogger, okay, a business owner? So for example, I just use a blogger. And then it says invite your teams and collaborate on designs. So for me, I'll just skip that. Okay, but if you have any friends or a team, then you can invite them, but I'll just skip that. So I'll just click here, skip inviting team members. Okay, so choose what you want to create. Okay, and there are more design types here, so let's just click that. Okay, so now we're here on Canva. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson. Hi guys, so we're here inside Canva, and here you can see the different types of graphics that we can create. Okay, so here in the social media post, we can create different types of graphics such as Twitter posts, Pinterest graphic, okay, for Facebook, Tumblr and Instagram posts. Okay, so if you're into more formal documents, we can create a US letter size document. Okay, PowerPoint presentation, A4 size document, letterheads, magazine covers, certificates, resume, and yearbook. Okay, so if you're an aspiring author or a blogger, there's also some designs for you, such as book cover. Okay, so this is an actual book cover, not just an ebook. Okay, this is for real hardcover book. Okay, and there's also Wattpad book cover, which if you're a writer on Wattpad, which is platform for writers. Okay, you can create a Wattpad book cover, or if you have a blog, then you can design a blog banner. Okay, CD cover, infographics. Okay, and if you have a business, then there are also marketing materials for you. Okay, you can create posters, menus, flyers, logos, brochure, gift certificate, business card, and label. Okay, and if you're into social media, there are also some graphics for you, such as Facebook event covers, YouTube thumbnails, Tumblr banner, YouTube channel art, Twitter header, Google header. Okay, and if you have a shop on Etsy, okay, then you can also have an Etsy shop cover. Okay, so as you can see, there are many different types of graphics you can create using Canva, and you can create almost any graphic. Okay, I just say almost. Okay, not everything, but most of the graphics you need to design is available on Canva. Okay, so if you're into ads, you can also have Facebook ads, and there's also different banner ads available. Okay, there's the skyscraper ad, large rectangle ad, and leaderboard ad. Okay, these are all banner ads. Okay, if you're into advertising for Google, then there's different banner ads. Okay, so now let's create social media graphic. Okay, because you can see here at social media posts, there are different kinds of social media posts, such as Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, etc. But we will create generic social graphic, which you can use for any type of social media. Okay, so let's click this social graphic, and the dimension for this is 800 pixels by 800 pixels. Okay, so let's just click that. Okay, so this is social graphic. Okay, so here on the left side you can see the different templates available. Okay, so let's just choose template. Okay, you can see here, for example, scroll down. Okay, let me just choose. Okay, there are many beautiful templates available here. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, so we can change the text. Okay, just click the text and we can just change it. Okay, for example, I'll just change that to this. Okay, and if you want to delete some text, just click it and then click this delete icon on the upper right corner. So let's just delete that. Okay, and let's just adjust the size. Okay, so just highlight this and then click here on the numbers. Okay, and then let's make it smaller. Okay, so we want to change the background color. Okay, so just click this background. Okay, actually this is this yellow, this brownish yellowish design. You can also change that. So just click here on the color, pick a color, and we can change that to different colors. Okay, so if you don't like any of the available colors here, just click this plus sign here and you will be led to a color picker. Okay, so you can choose the specific color that you want. Okay, for example this, and if you have a specific color code, then you can just paste it here. Okay, so I'll show you the color code. So let's go to Google, okay, and look for color picker. Okay, so there will be different available results here. So let's just click this HTML color picker from W3 Schools, and you can choose a specific color, because here here the color picker here is a bit hard to use, okay, because it's not it's looks a bit mixed up. So we can just choose this color picker. For example, you like a specific color, for example this one, then you can see the code. Okay, the color code is here, okay, with the asterisk sign and the color code. So if you like this color, okay, for example this color and this color, just choose the color code. Okay, just copy the color code, okay, and then paste it here in the color code section in this box. Okay, just paste it. Okay, all right, so this looks similar to the one earlier, so let's choose a different color code. Okay, copy the color code and then paste, click the plus sign again and then paste the color code. Okay, so if you want to change the background, click here on the left section, click background, and then choose the background color that you want. Okay, so there are different background colors. You can also scroll down and you can see that there are different background designs. Okay, that is not just a plain color. Okay, you can see here, just click here. See, you can choose different background designs. Okay, just scroll down. These are all free. Okay, okay, just scroll down. There are many different gradient designs available. If you don't like the plain color, okay, there's for example this pink one. Okay, all right, so you can also upload a custom background. Okay, if you don't want this, then there are also pictures, but you can see here on the left section there's it says $1. Okay, if you choose this pictures with that says $1, you need to pay $1 to use this. Okay, so for example, let's just click this, the flower design that says $1. You can see here there are some grids. Okay, if you can see it, just these grids here, these are the watermark. Okay, this is the watermark, and it means that you need to pay $1 for it. Okay, because if not, the watermark will stay in there. Okay, so to remove the watermark you need to pay $1. Okay, but you can choose the free designs because there are many free designs like this. So you can see here there is no watermark. Okay, so once you're happy with the design, you can just click download and you can choose JPG, PNG, or PDF type of download. So for example, I'll just choose JPEG. Okay, and then click download. Okay, so it's still preparing the design. Okay, okay, so you can see that the design is downloaded here. So I'll just click here and you can see that this is the social media post that we made using Canva. Okay, so there's also different design. So if you want to go back to the templates, just click here on the section that says layouts. Okay, on the left side it says layouts, and you will go back to the different layouts. Okay, for example here, then choose the design you want and then click replace. Okay, so that is how you create a social media post using Canva. Hi guys, so now I'll be creating a logo. So just scroll down until you see marketing materials and then click logo. Okay, so the size of the logo is going to be 500 pixels by 500 pixels. Okay, so you can see here the different logo templates on the left. Okay, there are many logo templates. So let's just choose one. Okay, so we can change the background color by clicking the background anywhere here on the background, and then click the color picker. Just click this, and then choose the color that you want. Okay, for example, we want a different color. Just click here the plus sign if we don't like any of these colors. Okay, for example, we like this purple color. Okay, so you can also change the colors of the elements here. Okay, this blue, green, and orange, we can change that. Just click this, and you can see here there's a green, blue, and orange. Okay, so we can change this. Okay, let's change the green. Okay, for example, we can change that to pink, yellow. Okay, let's change the blue. Okay, change that into red, and let's change the orange into blue. Okay, so again, we can also change the text. Just click the text and just um, change it. Okay, all right, so let's look for another example here. Let's just scroll down. Okay, let's use another logo. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, let's just choose this one and then click replace. Okay, so you can see here the elements. We can resize it. Okay, we can make it bigger or smaller. Okay, for example, let's click the light bulb. Okay, and then you can see here there's a dot. Okay, so just hover your mouse over it and then drag it. Okay, so this will make it bigger. Okay, and again you can let's make the rest bigger as well. Okay, just click it and then drag it upwards. Okay, drag it outwards. Okay, and then you can change the colors. Okay, so just click this. Okay, and then go to the color picker and change the color. Okay, so let's just change the colors here. Just click it and then go to color picker and then change the color. Okay, again you can also rearrange this. Okay, for example, you want this plus sign to be here. Okay, just click it and then drag it wherever you want. Okay, just click the elements and then drag it wherever you want. Okay, so you can also change the color of the light bulb. Just click this and then you can see there are different colors. Okay, just click it and then change it to whatever color you want. Okay, so now let's go to another example. Okay, just let's go here. Okay, just click it and then click replace. Okay, so again we can change the color of this element. Just click it and then go to color picker. But in this example, we're going to delete this, okay? Because we're going to upload a custom graphic, okay? You can also upload custom graphics with this. So first, let's just delete this. So just click it and then go to the delete button here on the upper right section. Just click delete, okay? So you'll see it will be gone. Okay, so now we're going to upload a custom graphic. Okay, so just click here on the upload section on the left, the bottom-most part of the left section here, uploads. Just click that and then click upload your own images. Okay, just click this green button that says upload your own images and then choose the image that you want to upload. Okay, so it's still uploading and now it's finished uploading. Just drag it over here. Okay, so now you can see it's too big, so let's just resize that, make it smaller. Okay, so let's hover over here on the dot and then resize it. Just drag it to make it smaller. Okay, alright, so we can also change the background. Just click this white background and change it to any color that you want. Okay, but for this we'll just keep it white. Alright, so once you're happy, just click here, download, and there are different file types such as PDF, JPG, and PNG. Okay, so what we need for the logo is we need a PNG background. Okay, we need a transparent PNG background. Not just a PNG, but we need a transparent PNG background. Okay, so I'll show you why we need a transparent PNG background. Okay, so this is transparent PNG on the left section, and here on the right is not transparent PNG. Okay, so we need a transparent PNG so that it will be transparent. Okay, so if we change the color here, just an example, you will see that the transparent background, okay, it changes to whatever is the color of the background. Okay, but this not transparent, okay, it always stays the same color. Okay, so if you have a website and you want to change the colors of your website, it is so much easier to do it with the transparent PNG because it will just follow whatever is the color of your website. Okay, but if you don't have a transparent, then the background color will always stay the same. Okay, so example again, if we change the background color, you can see here that the transparent is follows the color of the background, while the not transparent, it just white. Okay, it just stays the same. That is why we need the transparent PNG background. Okay, so now again, let's go to the download section and choose PNG, but we cannot click here. Okay, if we try to click the transparent background, we cannot click it. Okay, so let's click here, learn more, and it says get transparent backgrounds with Canva for work. Okay, Canva for work, this is the Canva for work. Okay, this is $12.95 per user per month. Okay, so we only have a free Canva. Okay, so we cannot change it to a transparent background. Okay, but you can have a 30-day free trial. Okay, so let's go back here. Get transparent backgrounds with Canva for work. Okay, we can start a 30-day free trial. Okay, anyway, this transparent background thing is only important with logos. Okay, most of the time you don't need it. Okay, but you need it for the logo. Okay, so we can just try this. Start your free 30-day trial. Just click this. Okay, so again, I'll show you how to get here to get your 30-day trial. Okay, so what we do is just again click download and then choose PNG and then click learn more, and then it will prompt this start your free 30-day trial. Okay, so let's just click that, and then you can put your card number here. Okay, and its first 30 days are free and you can cancel anytime. Okay, so they will also remind you 3 days before your trial ends. Okay, so my advice is this: if you're just going to make a logo and you're not going to use the transparent background anymore, you can just go for the free trial and then cancel it 3 days before the trial ends. Okay, just cancel it before the free trial ends. So later I will show you how to cancel the free trial. Okay, so you can just do this, it's still free. Okay, all right, so I'll just put in my card number here, so I'll just pause the video. Okay, I'll just get back to you later. Okay, so I just click claim my free trial. Okay, so now we're here at Canva for work. Okay, so just let's click here, let's get started, and just choose anything here. You can change that later. Okay, set your brand color. Okay, so now just click here, I'll do it later. For now, let's upload your logo. Just click here, I'll do it later, and then click here, I'll do it later, and then click continue. Okay, and then just click here, click X. Okay, and let's go back to our design earlier. Okay, because they're giving us a tour of Canva for work, so just click here, all your designs. Okay, and then just click here on our earlier design. Okay, so just click here. All right, so now let's click download and just choose PNG. And now you can choose transparent background. Okay, just click transparent background and then click download. Okay, so this will give us a transparent logo. Okay, just wait for a bit because it's still preparing our design. So just click here X, just click X. Okay, and now the logo is downloaded. I already downloaded the logo, so let me just go to downloads. Okay, so this is now our logo. Okay, so that is how you create a transparent logo in Canva. And I'll show you later how to cancel the free trial. But if you want to pay, that's fine. Okay, it's worth it. It's just $12. Okay, but you can cancel it anytime, and I'll show you later how. Okay, see you in the next video. Hi guys, so if you want to cancel Canva for work, I will show you how. Okay, but I suggest that you cancel it 2 days before the free trial ends. Okay, don't cancel it immediately, just use it until about 28 days and then just cancel 2 days before the free trial ends. Okay, so I'll show you how. All right, so now you can see here the URL is canva.com design slash dac blah blah. Okay, so just delete that. Okay, and just type canva.com. Okay, so it will redirect you to this page where you are logged in. So we need to see your profile here. Okay, our profile is named Emily, so just click your profile name and then just click account settings. Okay, all right, so just go to billing and teams. Okay, just click billing and teams here and then just scroll down. Okay, and then you can see here the plan. Okay, plan Canva for work. Okay, so you can change this or you can cancel. Okay, so right now our billing is $12.95 per month, so we can change that. So just click change if you want to get a bigger discount. Okay, if you want to pay for the yearly um yearly plan. Okay, it's 9.95 per month and it's cost $119.40 per year. Okay, if you want to get a cheaper discount, you can do that, or you can do monthly. Okay, I'm just showing you, but I'll show you how to cancel. So if you want to cancel, just click here, cancel, and then just click cancel my subscription. Okay. So the features that is Canva for Work is magically resize designs, organize photos into folders, create theme templates, and save your brand kit. Okay, so all that will be gone if we cancel Canva for work. Okay, so that's what will be gone. Okay, so now just click this button, cancel my subscription, and then that's it. Okay, so you will not be billed anymore. Okay, so just click no thanks, and that's it. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, today I will teach you how to create Pinterest graphic, okay? So if you're into Pinterest marketing, you have to know that graphics is very important in Pinterest, okay? So I'll show you here. Here is my Pinterest account and you can see here these are the Pinterest pins, okay? So if you notice anything, the pins here are usually vertical, okay? These are long pins, okay? These are the pins that do well on Pinterest. Okay, these are long pins. If you can see here, this short pin, it looks ugly. Okay, short pins like this does not look good. Okay, so the pins that you want are long pins like this. Okay, 50 genius mom business ideas. Okay, because they are very eye catching. Okay, and also if you notice anything, um pins, okay, are used to there's a lot of color pink. Okay, it's because most users of Pinterest are women. Okay, and they like the color pink here on Pinterest. Okay, and if you notice the pins, they're very feminine in style. Okay, you can see here very feminine photos. Okay, color pink, lots of cursive and pink, and lots of pictures of flowers and pink notebooks. Okay, so that is the style of Pinterest pins. Okay, so now let's go back to Canva, and you can see here there's a template for Pinterest graphic. Okay, so if you can see here the size, it's 735 pixels by 1102 pixels. Okay, so we will not be using that size. Okay, I will show you why. So let's just click this Pinterest graphic template. Okay, and as you can see here there are many different templates. Okay, so let's just choose one. Okay, so here's an example of a Pinterest graphic template, and I will show you why it's not advisable to use this size. Okay, so let's go here to my Pinterest account, and you can see here that this one, okay, which is the same as this one, okay, it looks short. Okay, it does not look that good because it's short. Okay, it's a short pin. It's better to have like this, how to make squeeze pages using templates. This is a long pin. Okay, this is ideal for Pinterest because it is better to have long pins on Pinterest because it's much more noticeable. Okay, because short pins, small pins, they get ignored. Okay, pins have to be vertical. Okay, so um, I advise you that this is the size for Pinterest graphic dimensions. Okay, so I'll just show you the size. It's 441 pixels by 1199 pixels. Okay, this is my recommended size for Pinterest graphic so that you will have a long pin. Okay, 441 pixels by 1199 pixels. Alright, so as you can see here in Canva, that is not the size of Pinterest graphic. Okay, so we will be using custom dimensions. Okay, so you can see here, create a design. Okay, just click create a design. And then you can see here on the upper right corner, there is use custom dimensions. So just click that. Okay, and then the size is 441 by 1199. So let's type that 441 and the height is 1199 and then click design. Okay, so this is going to be a custom dimension. All right, before we proceed, we need to get some free feminine styled stock photos, okay? Because remember, the users in Pinterest, they like feminine photos. So let's just go get some feminine styled stock photos, okay? So don't worry, these are free. Okay, so first let's go to Google and type free feminine styled stock photos, okay? And you will see here the article by Twins Mommy, 18 places for free girly and styled stock photos. Okay, so just click that. Okay, this is the article by Twins Mommy. Okay, and then scroll down, and these are her recommendations for free feminine styled stock photos. Okay, so here we have Hotte stock. Okay, so here we have Rikita Nicole, but this one is not working anymore. So let's just skip here to Hotte stock. Okay, so let's click here the link. Okay, let's go to the Hotte stock website to get our free photos, and then click here get a free sample. Okay, and then there will be a pop-up, and then put your email and then click given to me. Okay, so now let's go to our email. Okay, and let's see the okay, so here you can see the email by Hotte Chocolate, and just open that and then just click this yes, subscribe me to the list, and then you will be redirected to the photos. Okay, so now here are the photos. Click to download your free images. Just download this. Okay, these are the stock photos, free stock photos. Just download this. Okay, so now you can try the other recommendations. Okay, Wonderfell is also good. Okay, so now let's go to Wonderfell website. So just click here and sign up for her list to access the 10 free photos. Okay, so let's, and also we also like Boss Latina. Okay, I tried it. It's nice photos. And Wonderlast. Okay, so let's go again to Wonderlast. Okay, so let's just sign up for the to get the free feminine stud stock photos. Okay, just click this, get the photos, and then put your name and put your email. Okay, click download now. Okay, and then let's go to the Wonderlast website. Okay, and again sign up for the free photos. Just scroll down and then click this, grab your free stock photos. Okay, just put your email again and then click hand over the photos. Okay, just wait for that. Okay, so now let's go to our email, and you will see here there's the email. Here are your free stock photos. Click download now. Okay, so just repeat that for the rest of the list here. Okay, Twins Mommy, there's 18 places for girly and styled stock photos. Okay, there's just repeat that, and you can see here these are the stock photos that I downloaded. Okay, you can see in Pinterest there are a lot of pins with this style. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so now let's create our Pinterest graphic. Okay, so first let's go to uploads. Okay, here in the left section on the bottom, click uploads, and then click upload your own images. Okay, so remember the feminine styled stock photos. Let's just upload one of those. Okay, so I'm just gonna upload this by Wonderfell. Okay, let me just upload that. And here it is. Actually, I uploaded earlier. So just let me drag this. Okay, let's drag this photo here. Okay, and then let's resize it to make it bigger. Okay, so let's just resize this. Just drag it. Okay, just drag it to resize this. Okay, so I want to flip this photo. Okay, because I want this flower design to go on the bottom. Okay, so let's just click here on top left section, flip. Okay, so you can flip horizontally. Okay, this is what it looks like, or you can flip vertically. Okay, so this is what I want this to flip vertically. Okay, so I want this flower on the bottom. Okay, all right, so now we're gonna copy a design I made in the past. Okay, so this is what I want: 5 tips to skyrocket your motivation. Okay, so now let's go back here. Okay, so let's go here on the left section and click elements. Okay, click elements. Okay, and then go here, shapes. Okay, you can see here there's free photos, grids. Okay, just click here, shapes. Okay, all right, let's just wait for a bit, and then let's scroll down, and then you can see here the shape. Okay, a circle shape. So let's just drag that. Okay, drag the circle here. Okay, so let's make this smaller, the circle. Okay, and then I want to change the color of the circle. Okay, so just click that and then go here on the color picker. Okay, so we want to match the color, so it has to be pink. Okay, so just click that and then choose pink. Okay, so if you want to choose other colors, you can choose here, or just click this plus sign where you can pick the specific color that you want. Okay, so let's just choose this pink. Okay, and now let's go to the text section. Okay, click here on the left uh, side, click text, and then click add heading. Okay, so there's going to be a heading here. Okay, and then drag it here on the circle and then put the number 5. Okay, so because we're copying this, okay, 5 tips to skyrocket your motivation. Okay, so 5. Okay, so we want to make it bigger, so just highlight the number 5 and then click the font size. Okay, and then let's make it bigger. Okay, let's make it bigger. Okay, and I want to change the color. Okay, so just highlight it again and go here to the color picker on top, and then I want this to be color white. Okay, so it still looks small, so let's make it bigger. Okay, so let's make it that. And I want to change the font. Okay, so let's highlight here the 5 and then go here on the fonts. Okay, you see it's Abril Fat Face, so I want to change this to League Spartan. Okay, so now that looks better. Okay, so I want to make this circle smaller. Okay, so let me just adjust that to the middle. Alright, so now let's add another text. Okay, so let's go here again to text on the left section and then click add heading. Okay, so we're gonna type tips 2, 5 tip, because 5 tips 2. Okay, but since we use League Spartan, we're gonna change the font again. So just highlight this and then choose the font League Spartan. Okay, let's make that a bit bigger. Okay, so we want to copy this again. Okay, so just click this, the font box. Okay, and then click copy. Okay, so we can copy that. Okay, but let's just change the text. So just highlight the text, 5 tips to skyrocket. Okay, but let's make the skyrocket smaller. Okay, let me just, alright, 5 tips to skyrocket. And then let's copy this again. Okay, just click it and then click copy. Okay, so let's change the text to your 5 tips to skyrocket your. And then we're going to add another heading. Okay, so click here on the text and then click add heading. And then we're going to put motivation. Okay, but we want this motivation to be in cursive. Okay, so let's just highlight that and change the text to Pacifico. Okay, because I usually like Pacifico, it looks very good. Okay, so let's just scroll down and look for Pacifico. Okay, so this is the font that looks good. Okay, so now let's highlight this and make the font bigger. Okay, so let's put 50. Okay, let's make this as big as possible. Okay, without overflowing. Okay, so let's just still make that bigger. Okay, and you can also change the color. Okay, so with Pinterest, I suggest with Pinterest we use a normal font. Okay, and then a cursive font. Okay, always use the regular font and the cursive font. Okay, because that looks good on Pinterest. Okay, so highlight this. Let's change the color of motivation. Let's go to the color picker. Okay, and let's change that to pink. Okay, so you see this looks very good. Okay, and then let's make this a little bigger. Okay, so now we want to add a shape here. So let's go to elements here on the left section. Click elements and then click this shape. Okay, this square shape. Okay, so let's drag it on the bottom because we're gonna make a placeholder for our website. Okay, and then change this shape. Okay, just click that and go to the color picker. Okay, and then choose black. Okay, and then let's add another text. Okay, click here on the left text and then click add subheading. Okay, so just drag that and then let's put our website. So let's put here our website, but it should be color white. Okay, because the background is black. So let's just highlight that and then go to the color picker and click white. Okay, so you see here that now it looks nice. Okay, so this is an example of a good Pinterest pin. Okay, this is a very attractive pin. It's long, and um i I give you the advice that in Pinterest, the eye-popping colors are usually pink, black, and white. Okay, so this is just a suggestion, because those are usually the colors that pop out in the Pinterest feed. Okay, pink, hot pink, okay, black, and white. This color combination is very good. Okay, so once you're done, let's click download. Okay, let's click download, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so just wait. All right, so it's downloading, and okay, just wait a bit. Let's go to the, okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, this is actually bigger size. Okay, okay, so this is a big size. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. We'll make other styles of pins. Hi guys, so now we're gonna design another Pinterest pin. Okay, so this is a different pin style. So first, let's go to uploads here on the left bottom section, and then click upload your own images, and then let's choose another styled stock photo. Okay, so now let's drag the photo. Okay, and now let's resize it. Okay, so just drag this. Okay, and then let's choose the section that we want. Okay, so now let's go to elements. Okay, and then click shapes. Okay, and then let's choose this square shape. Okay, so let's just adjust this square shape. Okay, and then let's click the shape, and then go to color picker and choose the white color. Okay, all right, so now we're gonna click the square shape, and then go here on the transparency. Okay, here on the upper right. Okay, transparency, and then we're gonna adjust the transparency. Okay, so it's gonna be a little transparent. Okay, all right, so now let's go to text, and then add a heading. Okay, so let's type how to. Okay, and then bring it here, and then let's just change the font to League Spartan. Okay, so let's go to the font section, and then choose League Spartan. Okay, and then we're gonna copy it. Okay, just click it, and then click copy. Okay, how to, and then we're gonna change it how to start a. Okay, so let's go again, add heading, and then let's type blog. Okay, but we're gonna make this blog bigger. Okay, so just click that, and then change the font to 80, font size to 80. Then we're gonna change the font to Pacifico again, because Pacifico looks good with League Spartan. Okay, so let's choose Pacifico. Okay, so now it looks good, and then let's highlight it, and then change the color, okay, to pink, because black and pink looks good for this. Okay, so let's just adjust that, how to start a blog, and then let's copy this again, and let's change it in just. Okay, and then let's copy the blog, copy. Okay, and then change it to the number 20. Okay, and copy the ingest, and then let's make it 20 minutes. Okay, all right, so let's make this number 20 bigger, so let's just make that. Okay, so how to start a blog in just 20 minutes. Okay, so again, we're gonna make a footer here, so let's go to elements, and then choose the shape square. Okay, so we're gonna create a footer here. Okay, so let's adjust that and change it to the color black. Okay, and then Okay, so we're gonna adjust the transparency. Okay, so if you want this to be less transparent, just click it and then go to transparency. And if you want it to be a solid color like that, or into more transparent like this, okay, it's your choice. Okay, but I think it looks good at 91. Okay, but you can adjust it if you want. Okay, so again, let's go to text and then click add subheading, and then we're gonna add our website again, but let's change the color to white. Okay, then let's add our website. All right, so now this is what it looks like. Okay, so if you want, you can also change the background. So let's go to uploads. Okay, click upload your own images and then choose a different design. Okay, so we're gonna drag this. Okay, this pink design. Okay, we're gonna drag this here, but you can see it's overlapping, so we're gonna um click arrange. Okay, and then click back. Okay, so now let's just delete the blue first. Okay, let's delete the blue. So now it's the pink, and then let's resize it. Let's make it bigger. So just drag this. Okay, all right, so now you can see that it covered the whole thing, so it's important to click it and then um, go to arrange and then back. Okay, so do this for all the sections here. Okay, so just adjust it and then arrange and click back. Okay, move it again. Okay, until alright, so that is how to make another style of Pinterest pin. Okay, so you can replace this background here with any design you want. So guys, if you're looking for more Pinterest pin designs, just go to pinterest.com and then you can see the different pin designs. Okay, so most of these pins here are made using Canva. Okay, so you can see there's a lot of designs. Okay, so most of these are made using Canva, so you can just get inspiration from them. Okay, you don't need to copy them exactly, but you can copy the style or the design. Okay, so just browse and there are many designs. Just get inspiration from them and you will not be lacking in ideas. Okay, so now let's go back to Canva and I will show you how to magically resize a design. Okay, but this feature is available only for Canva for Work. Okay, so remember the paid Canva. Okay, so this costs $12.95 per month. Okay, but if you pay it annually, okay, it's only $9.95. So that's $9.95 times 12. That's $119 per year. Okay, so if you want to pay annually, you will get a lower rate. Okay, so for Canva for Work, you can save your brand colors and magically resize your designs. Okay, you can also organize your images into folders, upload your own fonts, and use transparent backgrounds. Okay, so remember, with the logo we need transparent backgrounds. We used Canva for Work. Okay, so magically resize design is another feature of Canva for Work. Okay, so let's go back to Canva. And here you can see the Pinterest graphic. Okay, the size is 735 pixels by 1102 pixels. Okay, but the recommended, remember the recommended size is 441 by 1199 pixels. Okay, but we can just magically resize this. Okay, so just click Pinterest graphic. Okay, so we can resize this in two ways. Okay, first you can just click resize. Okay, and then there are different templates. Okay, so you can resize Pinterest graphic to a logo size, social graphic, etc., etc. Okay, so there are different templates here with each of their own sizes. Okay, so for example, we can resize it using the logo size, which is 500 pixels by 500 pixels. Okay, so let's just click logo and then click abracadabra resize. Okay, so click the button resize. Okay, so just hold on for a bit, it's still resizing. Okay, and then click the design. Okay, so this is what it looks like if you resize it. All right, so let's do that again. Okay, let's choose a um, template. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, this is a Pinterest graphic template. And then click resize. And then let's resize this into a um, Twitter post. Okay, oh no, sorry. Maybe a Facebook post. Okay, so let's click Facebook post and then click abracadabra resize. Okay. Okay. So just click that. Pop-up blocker. Okay, sorry, this pop-up blocker. So just remove the pop-up blocker. Okay, so just click here. I'll always allow pop-ups from canva.com. Okay, click done. Okay, so we cannot do that if we have a pop-up blocker. So let's just do that again. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Okay, so let's click again resize. And then let's choose again the Facebook post. Okay, so click Facebook post and then click abracadabra resize. Okay. Alright, so now it's the size of a Facebook post. Okay, this is the size of a Facebook post, but you need to adjust it. So you just need to, okay, fix the proportions again. You just fix it, okay, because it will not magically fix everything, but it makes it easier. Okay. All right, so now we can also resize using custom dimensions, okay? Because you see, remember here in the resize, there are different design types with each their own sizes, okay? So Facebook cover is 820 pixels by 312 pixels. Instagram is 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels, okay? US letter is 8.5 inches by 11 inches, okay? So you can resize that using that. But if you want to use custom size, okay, just click file and then choose change dimensions and then click here use custom dimensions. Okay, so let's copy the dimensions. That's 441 by 1199. Okay, so let's go back here and type 441 by 1199 and then click resize. Okay, so again, you still need to adjust this. Okay, fix the proportions, fix the sizes. Okay, but that is how you do magic resize. Okay, so again, this feature is available only for Canva for Work. Okay, if you're using free Canva, then this is not available. Okay, so again, we still have the free trial, but if you want to upgrade, that is good. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, so today we're gonna create some YouTube thumbnails. So just scroll down, okay, and go to social media and email headers, okay. Then click YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so there are many different YouTube thumbnail templates available. Okay, but first we need some royalty-free photos. Okay, so I'll just discuss why we need royalty-free photos. Okay, so why use royalty-free photos? Okay, it's because photos have licenses and you can just go to Google image search and steal some photos. Okay, you can't do that because you might get in trouble. Okay, if the owner finds out that you're using their photos without their permission, then you might get sued. Okay, so it's important to get royalty-free photos. Okay, so where to get them? Okay, so there are some sites that are paid. Okay, you can buy royalty free photos, or there's some sites that are just free. Okay, I will show you both of them. Okay, so first let's go to Google and let's type shutterstock.com. Okay, so Shutterstock, this is one of the biggest websites for buying royalty-free photos. Okay, so let's just go there. Okay, so here you can type the kind of photo that you need. For example, man. Okay, so they have 190 million royalty-free images. Okay, but you have to pay for them. Okay, these are the royalty-free photos for the man. Okay, so let's see the pricing. Okay, so here are the cost. Okay, so 10 images per month is $29 per month. Okay, that is for the annual fee. Okay, but if you are going to buy only pay monthly, okay, so 10 images per month is $49 per month. Okay, 50 images is $125 per month. Okay, 350 images is $199 per month, and 750 images per month is $249 per month. Okay, or if you're using a single project only, so 5 images is $49. Okay, that is the cost of royalty free photos on Shutterstock. Okay, so I'll show you another website where you can get royalty free photos. So Pond5. Okay, just type on Google Pond5. Okay, so Pond5.com is one of the world's largest stock photo and audio library. Okay, so you can buy royalty free photos here on Pond5. Okay, so let's just go here, stock images. I'll just show you some. Okay, so you can just again type it here, what kind of photos you're looking for example, office. Okay, so again, this is a paid site. Okay, you have to pay for the royalty free photos here. Okay, so let's just click one of the photos here. Okay, so you can see here the pricing for the XL size. It's $40 for this photo. Okay, that is 5130 pixels by 3420 pixels. For the large size, it's $28. Okay, that's 3420 pixels by 2280 pixels. The medium size is $16 and the small size is $10. Okay, so this is how much a royalty free photo costs in Pond5. Okay, but I will show you a better site which is free. Okay, these are royalty free photos but it's free. Okay, so let's go to google.com and type pixabay.com. Okay, that's Pixabay. Okay, so just click that pixabay.com, and this is totally free. Okay, so this is better than Shutterstock and Pond5 because it is free. Okay, but if you can't find the photo that you're looking for on Pixabay, then I suggest you go to Shutterstock or pond5.com. Okay, so let's search for a photo on Pixabay. For example, let's type woman. Okay, we need a photo of a woman. Okay, okay, so here's some available royalty-free photos on Pixabay. Okay, so let's, for example, let's click this. Okay, so you can see here that CCO Creative Commons. Okay, this is the license for the photo. Okay, free for commercial use, no attribution required. Okay, because some photos require attribution, which you need to link back and credit the owner. Okay, but this one, it's Creative Commons, no attribution required. Okay, so you can use this for your commercial projects, and this is totally free. Okay, for example, let's download this photo. Just click this free download, and you can choose the size. Okay, so there's 640 by 399 pixels, 1280 by 799 pixels, and etc. Okay, so there's a large size. Okay, this is the largest size, 5340 pixels by 3336 pixels. Okay, so let's just download one of these. Okay, so just click the captcha and then click download. Okay, so it will just automatically download. Okay, so let's try that again. Okay, here. Okay, it's already downloading. Okay, so Pixabay, okay, doesn't only have photos, they also have illustrations, okay, and vector graphics. Okay, so Pixabay also has free vector graphics. Okay, so let's just go there. Go to one of the vector graphics here. Okay, so let's click one of these. And if you don't know what is a vector graphics, vector is a graphic type that even if you make it very, very big, it still doesn't lose the quality. Okay, so this is one of the examples of the vector graphics. And again, this is totally free for commercial use, no attribution required. Okay, so vector graphics is very popular with graphic designers because even if you make this very, very big, it will not lose quality no matter how big you make it. Okay, because the photos, okay, the regular photos, if you stretch it and you make it very, very big, then it will pixelate. Okay, the quality will become low. Okay, for example, you're gonna use one photo and use it for a billboard. Okay, the quality will be lower. Okay, it will pixelate. Okay, but if you use vector, then the quality will remain the same even if you use a vector for a billboard. Okay, for a very, very big billboard, it doesn't matter how big you make it, the quality will still remain the same. Okay, so in Pixabay there's free photos, illustrations, and vector graphics. Okay, so they also have some videos. Okay, so let's just um, see some videos. Okay, so if you're into YouTube, okay, you can find some royalty free videos on Pixabay. Okay, so here's an example of a royalty free video. Okay, so let's see our download. Okay, so this is our royalty free photo of a woman. Okay, so Pixabay is where you get royalty free pictures, videos, and vector graphics. Okay, so let's go back to our YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and let's choose one of the graphics here. Okay, so for example, this is our YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and let's upload a photo here. Okay, let's use the picture of the woman. Click upload your own images, and then let's go to look for the photo of the woman. Okay, so it's still uploading. Okay, so let's just drag the photo of the woman here. Okay, let's move that here. Okay, and then let's change the text. Okay, so we can make that top 20 makeup hacks. Okay, so let's just stretch it. Okay, and then we're gonna change the color of this one, the blue. Let's make it into pink. Okay, and then let's go to the background here on the left section, and then we can choose, okay, top 20 makeup hacks. Okay, so this is how to create a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so now let's download this. Okay, so let's change here. Okay, okay, so now let's click download, and then choose PNG or JPG, either way is fine, then click download. Okay, so now let's go to YouTube. Okay, and then we're gonna change the thumbnails. Okay, so let's go to my channel. This is just an example. Okay, so let's click on one of the videos here, and then click edit video. Okay, so this is my channel. Okay, so if we're gonna change the thumbnail, let's go here. Okay, as you see here, it says change image. Okay, so there's 4 thumbnails here. We need to click on the last thumbnail. Okay, click change image, and then let's upload our thumbnail. Okay, so let me just check the title. Okay, click change image, and then type the thumbnail. Okay, so it's still uploading, so I'll just pause the video. Okay, so now it's uploaded. Just click save changes. Okay, so now let's refresh the video. Actually, it takes a while before the thumbnail shows up. I've experienced this. It takes a few minutes to update the thumbnail, but here you can see that it's already saved. Okay. Hi guys, so today we're gonna create a menu. Okay, so if you have a restaurant or a catering service, this would be useful for you. Okay, so first let's scroll down and go to the marketing materials section, and then click menu. Okay, so the size of the menu is 8.5 inches by 11 inches, which is the size of your regular short bond paper. Okay, so here are some menu templates. Okay, you just change the photos and change the words. Okay, just edit this. Okay, so let's look for other templates. Okay, so again you can change the font, the colors. Okay, you can make it yellow, blue, okay, whatever you want. Okay, so let me just choose another template. Okay, click replace. Okay, so I chose this menu template because I want to add some photos. Okay, and I want to teach you how to use frames and grids. Okay, so uh, let's just first drag this menu items on the right, and then let's go to element section here. Okay, click elements, and then click frames. Okay, so we will not just be adding a photo, we will be adding a frame. Okay, so here are the different designs of the frames. Okay, so let me just scroll down because I want to have a circular frame. Okay, so let me just drag this frame. Okay, so let's make this smaller, and I want to copy this frame, so just click copy. Okay, so the menu items here we have crispy fried chicken, okay, mixed fruits, etc. Okay, so let me just look for a picture of a fried chicken. Okay, so to do that, you just go here on the left top section, click search, and then type fried chicken. Okay, so here are some pictures of fried chicken. As you can see, some are free and some cost $1. Okay, so if you don't want to pay $1 and if you don't want to use the free pictures here, again you can go to pixabay.com, which is where you will find royalty free photos. And let's see if they have a fried chicken photo here. Okay, so let's just look. Okay, so here are some fried chicken photos that you can use for free. Okay, but for the purpose of this exercise, I'll just copy the fried chicken photo here from search. Okay, so as you can see that the photo follows the shape of the frame. Okay, if the frame is circle, then the photo will be circle. If the frame is triangle, then the photo will be triangle. Okay, so now another menu item here is mixed fruits. So let's just look here, fruit. Okay, so now let's drag the photo of some fruits. Okay, so that is how you use a frame. Okay, so I want to add show you some other examples of frames. So let me just copy this page, and you can do that by clicking here. Okay, you can see the number here, the number 1. If you go below that, there is copy this page. Okay, so just click that, copy this page, and it will copy that page, right? So I just want to delete the items here, so I'll just click it and then delete. Okay, delete element. Let me just delete this first. Okay, so now I want to add another frame. So let's just go back again to elements here on the left side, and then let's click frames. Okay, and let me just choose a frame. Okay, so I want to change this text here to fruits. Okay, so now let's look for pictures of fruits and just drag the pictures on the frame. Okay, so that is how you use frames. Okay, so let me just finish this. Okay, okay, so it will automatically resize itself. The picture will automatically resize itself to fit on the frame. Okay, so let me just show you another example of how to use a grid. Okay, so for this, let's add a new page. So here on the bottom, you can see add a new page. Okay, so just click that, add a new page, and a new page will appear. Okay, so now let's go back to elements and then click grids. Okay, click grids, not frames. Okay, and here are the different grid templates. Okay, so let's just drag one of these templates here, and let's go back again to the search, and let's copy some pictures of fruits. Okay, so it will automatically resize itself to be on the grid. Okay, so let's add another picture. Okay, so this is useful if you want to create a magazine type of page. Okay, so again, there are many templates here for the grids and the frames. Okay, so let's go back to frame. Okay, so let's add another photo, add a new page. Okay, so let's go back to the frame and I'll show you some other frames, okay, that might be useful. So here's a frame of a cell phone. Okay, so let's just drag that. Okay, so as you can see, it's on the back, so we need to arrange it. Okay, so you can see this is the frame of a cell phone. Okay, so let's put the picture in there. Okay, or if you need a frame of a laptop, then that is also possible. Okay, so there, let's just delete this first. Okay, okay, I want to change the color of the background to a yellow color. Okay, so there's also a frame of laptop. Okay, this could be useful. Okay, so let's add some photos here. Okay, so that is how you use frames and grids, right? Okay guys, so now I've taught you everything about Canva, and now you are ready to create any design that you want. Okay, so let's go back here to what can we design. Okay, resume, so let's just go over that and click here resume on the document section. Okay, so the principles are just the same. Okay, just choose the template that you want. Okay, and then just edit the template. Okay, so for example, this template, let's make this bigger. Okay, you can zoom here. Alright, so let's change the color. Okay, and then you can change the text, you can change the font. Okay, and then you can change the pictures. Okay, so let's just type woman. Okay, let's look for a picture of a woman here. Okay, so you can change the details. Okay, so everything is just the same. How to edit this, all these templates is just the same. Okay, so now let's go back. Book cover. Okay, let's choose a book cover. Okay, so as you can see, it's very easy to use Canva. Okay, let's just again choose a design template. Okay, you can design anything in like a few minutes or even a few seconds. Okay, So let's upload some, let's change the background. Okay, let's just use this background. Okay, let's just stretch that, and then let's just change the text into girl diaries. Okay, so as you can see, that is so easy and that is so fast. Okay, so just make this like that. Okay, so that is how you can easily design using Canva. Okay, so again, here are all the rest of it that you can design: CD covers, infographics, menu, poster, brochure, Facebook ads, and many more. Okay, so all the templates here you can use, and that is all. Okay, so now you know the principles. You can apply the principles that I've taught you to design any template here in Canva. Okay, so I hope you learned something from it, and I hope you can apply it and just make any kind of graphical design you want using Canva, right? Thank you very much.